For the past 8 years, I've called every major Bitcoin bottom publicly on YouTube, and those calls have turned out to be the best trades of the entire cycle. The next bottom is coming way faster than people think. In fact, it's almost here already. And 99% of the people will completely miss it. Not because they're dumb, not because they didn't see it. They will miss it because they didn't know how to act when volatility is at its worst. In the last cycle bottom, did you hesitate? Did you wait for it to go much lower? Did you completely miss it? Did you freeze? Did you panic? Do you have regrets from the last bottom? You don't miss bottoms because you lack intelligence. You miss them because you lack a decision framework under pressure. So this time, I'm not making any bottom call on YouTube. I'm opening up the exact capital deployment system I personally use at cycle bottoms. I'm talking about how and when I scale in, how I manage risk, how much I will buy of Bitcoin versus how much I will buy of altcoins. So when everyone else is panicking, hesitating, and frozen in fear, you're executing with precision, because the bottom isn't impossible to spot, but it is incredibly hard to act on. And when the next bottom hits, there won't be time to think, only time to execute before it's too late. 99% of people will completely miss this bottom. Don't let that be you. Join my waitlist right now and get priority access to my new Bottoms Masterclass and get the guaranteed lowest price before it opens to the public. Join my waitlist now. The link is in the description, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside.